Hello everybody, my name is Professor Nixon. I'm here to provide a tutorial on how to find your next class and how to order the book for your next class. The first thing you want to do is go to campusportal.kaiseruniversity.edu. Then once you get there, go ahead and click on Login. You'll go to the Student Portal homepage. Now when you log in, you should already have your login ID and your Campus Portal password. And if you don't, then you can contact the Trouble Desk. The help desk number is located on the Blackboard website, which I'll show you when we go to that in a minute. Yours should automatically pull up your name. Mine shows several different options because I can search students, so I'm just using a former student to show you how I do to find this, so you won't go through any of this. So when yours pulls up, it should look like this. It should have your name up here, and you should have student information, student schedules, degree audit, contact history. You probably won't have the contact history, but yeah, or you'll have the student schedule and student information. So click on student schedule. Then you need to go to the term that you're looking for. So in this case, we're looking, when I'm filming this, at Winter C. You need to go to whatever term you're in or going into to find your next course. So for this student, she's going into medical law and ethics. And this is the course number that she'll need to order the books. So for the bookstore, real quick before we go into that, if you go into Blackboard and you log in, usually right at the home page, go to Get Help, and this is where you will find the 800 number or 855 number to call if you have any issues with your login for the portal. Alright, so now we're going to go to, you can do this one of two ways. You can go to kaiseruniversity.edu and then go to current students, click on Bookstore, and then down here click on Kaiser University Bookstore. Now once you get here the first time, you can save this page because you're going to need it each term that you order a book if you're ordering from the Kaiser University Bookstore. The one thing I will tell you is that if you're ordering from the Kaiser University Bookstore, your instructor can try to help you find out what the issue is with the book not arriving or whatever it might be. If you're ordering from Amazon or another company like Barnes & Noble, Chegg, whatever, unfortunately we're not able to help with that because they're not part of our organization. So it would be up to you, if you don't get your book, to follow up on that. It is up to you to follow up on it anyway, but if you're still having issues with the Kaiser University Bookstore, I can reach out to the people who are there. So anyway, you're in Kaiser University Bookstore, you go to Books, and you're going to click on Textbooks and Course Materials. And here it's going to ask you, are you online? It should automatically provide that. Then you're going to go to undergraduate. You're going to select your term. So in this case, it's going to be Winter C. And then for the course that we're going into is HSA. If it's a management class, it's MAN. If it's transportation logistics, it's TRA. Okay, so there's HSA. And your course suffix is 1102, and just put all, and then hit submit, and it shows you what's available right now. So you can either buy the paperback book new for $119.95, or you can rent the paperback for $65.97, and it's due back on April 8th of 2019. So say you want to buy the book. It's just like ordering online. You add it to your cart, And then if you go back up to your cart,
No, you're not
you go
allowed to
there,
answer your phone. What part of this do you not understand? When you're on
and it's
time
here in the bookstore.
I'm telling you.
And then you click on checkout. And just like you would with an online order, that's what you do. So that's how you order your book, and I would encourage you to get that done as soon as possible so that you're not waiting on the first week for your book. Alright? If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.